Hello guys, welcome back to Punjani Pro. In this video, we will learn how to create visiting card in Canva application. So first you will have to open Canva application and search out for visiting card. You will get ample of samples. From the samples, you have to select any one. After the sample, you have to begin editing. The first page, you will be adding in your logo. From the elements option, you can search by the first letter of your brand or company name. After that, you will write in the name of your company and what your company is about or what it serves for. After that, as my image is looking very simple, so I'll add in some elements that would make it look attractive. And for now, I'm adding an image, a circle basically. So this circle will enhance my look. So you can adjust the colors and everything according to your choice, alignment and everything. After this, you can move on to the second page. After making everything align and everything, you can get it done. So now coming to second page. And the best combination color for beginners I'll suggest is black and golden, because if you try with other colors, so it is sometimes the probability is there that your color combinations may look so weird. So I suggest to use golden and black for the beginners. So for the second image, second side is you'll add in first the details of your card. So I would not like to include the contact number, so phone number, so I have removed that. Here we are including only the address, that is location, and the website and the other email thing. Okay, I have changed the alignment from the right side to the left side. Then name of the company and the company's owner's name and what the company owner is at the position in that company. What we have made on first page, we will save that and add in that over here and adjust the logo with the name text as Punjani Pro. So this is the visiting card. After this, it looks bit boring and simple. So for making it an aesthetic and better look, so I have added in a border and it looked yet some bit simple. So I have made a twist in the border, as you can see. After that, in the top bar, you will see download option. After that, by tapping on that, you can download and your design will be prepared, and preparing your design will be shown on your screen. So now as you can see, the image has been already saved to your gallery. Now from your gallery, you can use this image according to your convenience and get it printed and use it to promote your business. Hope you liked our visiting card creating video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.